Now, before we finish this drawing, we may want to share our work with others. The best way to do this is with eDrawings. eDrawings is a highly compressed format that allows others to view, print, or mark up your designs with the eDrawings viewer. This viewer is available for free for a PC or Mac, or even on your mobile device for just $1.99. With eDrawings, you can choose to shade the views or not, and zoom and pan to interrogate the design. But it doesn't stop there. These drawing views can even be rotated to really get a more complete understanding of the part, assembly, or in this case, drawing. These two views look a little bare and could probably use some reference dimensions. So let's add some markups to communicate this requirement back to the designer. A variety of tools are available, such as this bubble. And we'll add a note as well. Now we could save this eDrawing and send it back complete with the markups, or send just the markups back to the designer, which can then be leveraged in the SolidWorks drawing. As we go back to SolidWorks, the markups can be applied to the drawing, and the circle of communication is complete. Let's finish this drawing by adding the requested reference dimensions to indicate the overall size and some critical measurements like the distance between centers. Our drawing is now complete, so let's save the drawing and assemble the kit to the boom assembly.